Alright, let's take a look today at the ITF-West Transportation Facility, which also has economy parking associated with it. That's currently open. The station here, it's a people mover station, which will be open once the people mover is open. It's one of 3 stations outside of LAX. You got this one, the ITF East, I believe, and then also the ConRAC station. All 3 of these, you can get off of the people mover if you like. If you got a hotel over here, I guess you could walk there. But otherwise, this is also a place for being dropped off and picked up. When you're going to use LAX, you can be dropped off. There's kind of a turn off there by the economy parking structure, and then you can walk a few short minutes to get to your pedestrian train and then get to LAX. And you can see the station looks pretty on par with, I would say, the ConRAC and maybe the eastern station inside of LAX. It's got a lot of glass up there already installed. The surrounding area is still a bit rough. There's still some rough, some concrete, I guess, but the medians are still like a lot of landscaping and things like that to go. So, you know, I think they've got probably till the end of this year to get that cleared up. So I think after this stop, if you keep going on the people mover train, your next station will be the ITF East, and then the last station will be the ConRAC building. And you can see where the railway comes from out of LAX. It makes its way across Sepulveda and Century Boulevard, kind of cutting through 2 of the hotels here, the H Hotel and the Sheraton. And then it wraps itself here past 96th Street to the parking structure and ITF-West building. See, there's kind of a roadway over here, and then as you move your way across here, you can see they're still working on the roadway on the other side, 96th. There's one of the free shuttles going by, so when you park here, you walk over to this bus station, one of the bus stations designated for economy parking. They also have employee parking. You see an employee shuttle. Alright, here's a cool shot of the people mover station. And then you'll see down here below, there's a pedestrian walkway if you want to get to economy parking and be on your way. Or if you're coming to LAX, you park here. You walk across the way here, hop on a train, and then you should get to as far as the West station in under 10 minutes. And you can here's the rail line that gets you up there towards the ConRAC station.